Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to log out of Delta Exchange app on iPhone. Logging out of your Delta Exchange app is important for keeping your account secure, especially if you share your iPhone or use a public device. Logging out ensures that no one else can access your crypto trades, balances, or the personal information. So here's a step-by-step guide to safely log out of the Delta Exchange app. First, what you can do is open to your Delta Exchange app on your device. And once you get into this interface of your Delta Exchange app, on the top right corner we can find this small icon of your profile. Select there, and under this profile account settings, look for the logout on the bottom. Scroll all the way to the bottom until you find this logout option here and tap on the logout, and that is it. You will be successfully logged out and return to the welcome screen of the Delta Exchange app. Logging out of the Delta Exchange app is straightforward. Just navigate to the profile account settings and log out. Confirm and your account will be safely signed out, and this protects your funds and personal information, keeping your crypto trading secure. Thank you for watching this video. I hope I could help you. If you have any queries or confusion, please comment down and we will reach out to you very soon.